Account owners and publishers can make changes to content currently running in the employee app without having to navigate back to the admin console. You can either click on the ellipsis in the top right corner of the post in the newsfeed and select Edit, or you can click on the post itself, click on the ellipsis there, and select Edit. While editing the text of the post, you can also easily make adjustments to the card itself. Click on the ellipsis on the card and select Edit. In the right panel, select Edit and make any changes needed. Once complete, click Save.